For latest technology videos, subscribe to Tech Milestone.
Press the bell icon to get notified about the new videos.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is a small quick video of the Xiaomi product launch that happened today, so keep watching. MI is the number one smartphone brand, number one TV brand, number one in the case of power banks, accessories. It is taking over the Indian market. Yes, Indian market. So recently they came up with the new lifestyle product today. It's a beard trimmer. To sum up, the product is available at a price of 1199. Manup Kumar Jain launched the product in a small video, and for those who don't know, usually the trimmers cost around 2000, whereas they launched it for 1200. And now let's expect what happens. Would they be able to take the number one brand in the same category as well? Let's see. Give this video a big fat thumbs up, comment below your suggestions. And moreover, Xiaomi turns 5 years. They declared that they are going to give 5 big announcements in the 5 coming weeks. One was this, the Mi beard trimmer. So guys, that's all for this video.